Hi, and welcome to the XDMoD tutorial video. In this video I will show you the main tabs and the functions of these tabs within XDMoD. But first I will show you how to log in and get started on XDMoD. Locating XDMoD is very easy. Simply Google search XDMoD and it should be the very first option presented to you. This is the first screen you see when opening XDMoD. Here you are only able to access the summary and usage tabs. To get started, click Sign In the upper left corner. A new window will pop up with many options. If you are new to XDMoD, you will first need to set up an account. To do this, click on Sign Up. A new window will appear in which you will need to input various information to create an account. If you have an Exceed account, you do not need an account with XDMoD to log in. Simply click Login with Exceed. A new window will pop up where you will need to enter your Exceed information. However, Exceed users are only able to access the local credentials. If you can't remember your login info, there is a Trouble Logging In button which will ask for your email. Once you have your account info, simply input it, then press Sign In. Once you have signed in, you will have access to various new tabs, which were previously unavailable if you did not have an account. Some of these tabs include the Metric Explorer tab, which allows you to generate custom and complex multivariable plots. The App Kernel tab allows you to measure performance of Exceed resources and easily identify irregularities. The App Kernel Explorer tab allows you to conveniently compare performance between two or more resources. And the Report Generator tab, which allows you to easily create custom reports from charts built within XDMoD. Also, with the Report Generator tab, you can mail periodic custom reports to the user. Here is the Usage tab, which is used for making various plots within XDMoD. Here I will show you how to make one type of simple plot. First, click on a certain dimension within the tree on the left-hand side with which you wish to view in greater detail. These dimensions in the tree are jobs, allocations, accounts, proposals, performance, and resources by supreme. Under the dimensions, you can find appropriate fact nodes. When you have selected a chart, the chart view will update and display the appropriate thumbnails. In this case, we will select jobs by field of science. To get a standalone chart of greater detail, either click on the thumbnail or the fact node which appears under the dimension node. Here, we have selected the chart CPU hours per job. To further drill down your chart, click on the specific dataset and then on the desired drill down node. In this case, we wish to view by which resource is being used. To add your own title, simply enter one on the left-hand side where it says Chart Title. Notice how the chart title changes. Another very important feature that is available on all of XDMoD's tabs is the Date Selector. With this, you can either use a drop-down menu to select a predetermined time frame, or manually input the time frame you wish to view and click Refresh. Above the chart, you can further edit how your chart is displayed with either the Filters tab or the Display tab. The Filters tab allows you to show data for only certain items plotted in the chart, such as users, resources, or fields of science, while the Display tab lets you edit how the chart appears within the menu. Some of these options include chart type, such as bar or line, enable time series, or have your chart appear in log scale. Also, to use this exact chart later for a report, click on the Available for Report checkbox. This is the Metric Explorer tab. The first thing that you should notice are the instructions on how to use the tab. Follow these and you will be in good shape, but I will also show you how to make a complex plot within the Metric Explorer. To get started, first click New Chart and enter your desired chart type, either time series for plotting temporal data or aggregate for viewing accumulated data, and chart name. To introduce data onto the chart, either click Add Data near the top or select a realm from the metric catalog on the left side. In this case, we will select Jobs. Once you have selected your realm, you will be shown the metrics that will represent your chart. By selecting a metric, a new menu will appear for optionally selecting how your metric will be grouped. Here we choose the metric N-Use charge per job with no grouping. Selecting no grouping for N-Use charge per job will show you the sum of N-Use charge per job over time. However, selecting grouping by resource will show the breakdown on a per resource basis over time. To introduce another data plot, you can simply repeat the process by selecting New, Realms, Metrics, and Groupings. Here we select Number of Jobs Running. If you don't like how a certain data set is displayed, simply click on it and you will be given multiple options how to change your data. Here you want to display our second data set as a line graph. If you want to change the chart as a whole, click anywhere in the chart besides the dataset to get a new menu with multiple options for changing the chart, such as adding more datasets, adding global filters, or altering whether the chart is time series or aggregate. In the Metric Explorer tab, like the Usage tab, you are also able to make the chart available for report. This is the Report Generator tab, which allows you to create custom reports using charts made within XDMoD. These charts can be seen on the right-hand side of the screen, and were added to this list using the Available for Report checkbox shown earlier. To get started, first click New under the My Reports section. A new page will load with instructions how to make a report. To start making a report, simply click on the chart you want and drag it into the Charts section. Selecting multiple charts is also available with either the Shift or Control clicking on the charts. You can also rearrange the chart any way you like by simply dragging and dropping the charts in any new order. You can change the chart's time frame by clicking on the pencil icon or data range. All there's really left to do is add titles and edit how you want to lay out your report. Also, have your reports be scheduled for reporting based on the time frame you have selected and the type of file you wish to send. You can review your report at any time by clicking the Preview button under the Report Editor. Now save your report. After this is done, you can send it to your email or download the file directly for use outside of XDMoD. And this concludes our tutorial on how to use XDMoD. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.